The Kenyan government, through Attorney General Amos Wako, had made an application before the ICC pre-trial chamber challenging the admissibility of the two post-election violence cases currently before the court. In its application, the government, through lawyers Rodney Dixon and Sir Geoffrey Nice, had argued that Kenya was undergoing far-reaching judicial and constitutional reforms that would enable it to investigate and prosecute the post-election violence cases, even those before the ICC. The government had sought a 6-month grace period, during which it would finalize investigations on the 2007-2008 post-election chaos and initiate criminal proceedings against the 6 suspects. However, while rejecting the government's application, a 3-judge pre-trial chamber ruled that the government had failed to demonstrate that there were ongoing investigations and prosecutions against the 6 suspects, and therefore failed to meet the requirements of Article 17(1) of the Rome Statute that provides for the challenge on admissibility of cases being handled by the court. The judges also ruled that there were no records that demonstrated that the relevant witnesses were being or had been questioned by the Kenyan government. The judges also concurred with Prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo that a promise by the Kenyan government to conduct domestic proceedings was not sufficient to satisfy the admissibility requirements, and that granting the government's application would only unnecessarily delay the proceedings. The ruling came just moments after the government, through Attorney General Amos Wako and Justice Minister Mutula Kilonzo, denied claims by ICC Prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo that the government was sabotaging the ICC process and shielding the 6 suspects for political reasons.
Because it would be criminal conspiracy for anybody, even in the government, because the International Crimes Act is binding on government. It would be criminal conspiracy to sit down, whoever you are, as minister or otherwise, and start creating some sort of a firewall against persons who have committed crime. You yourself will be committing similar crime.
The Cabinet Subcommittee on ICC will on Tuesday meet a delegation from the prosecutor's office to address the concerns raised by Ocampo. Francis Gashuri, Citizen Live at 9.